Today I'm going to be showing you guys some tutorials on how to do marble, well, a marble, how to do foil, and I'm not sure what else I'll throw in there, but just keep watching, watch my tutorials. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know what you guys are interested in. If you guys are not interested in these videos, don't give it a like. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys my apron my mother-in-law got me. She got it from Mexico. It's really cute. I look all professional. But anyways, and it has like these little zippers right here. It's a big zipper. This is where I keep my money at, just in case anybody wants change. And then these are like little pockets right here too. I really like this. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the video. Oh, first let me show you guys a little tutorial of my nail room that I have going on. This is when you enter. Right here it just says be patient, be gentle, be humble, and be loving. And then that's what you walk into. And then right here, let me try the little lights. Hold on. Oh, that's hard. Okay. They have like little lights, and it says Nails by Lala, but I haven't finished it yet. I'll finish it soon. And then from there, this is the little area that I work at. My desk, that's just where I store all my stuff. And then here you guys can see that I have a picture of my family. It says family where life begins and love never ends. I think that's really cute. My husband got it for me for Mother's Day. Then I have these, which they're all mixed up right now, but I usually have like the acrylics up here and those down here. But anyways, these are gels, and then these ones are acrylics. Look at these nails I did on my own. They're already 2 weeks old, so they're a little outgrown, but I like them. This is my other hand, my dominant hand. It's pretty hard, but I love them. Okay, leave in the comments what other tutorials you guys would like, but I'm gonna turn it around now. I'm gonna stop saying that, I'm gonna do it, and I will give you guys step by step on how to do them. Okay, first I'm gonna start off with this. It's just one of those sample nail things. I'm gonna buff it with this buffer. So this is what it's gonna look like afterwards. Excuse all the noise, I'm just trying to get everything and then this is a white gel color. My mother-in-law got it from Mexico. But you're gonna take this and just paint it. And right now I'm going to show you guys the marble with gel, which is going to be really easy. I'm not going to paint the whole thing, but you guys get the point. And this. Okay, now I'm going to dry it. Well, put it under the UV light. I'm going to put it for 60 seconds so it can completely dry. And while that is drying, okay, I'm gonna go in with this black. You literally don't need much, so I'm just gonna put like that. Literally don't need much at all. A tutorial.
Of how to do what?
I'm leaving all this in there just so you know. A marble effect. Okay. So then you're just gonna do any kinds of lines. It literally doesn't matter. Like that. I mean, you can do whatever lines, but that's what I'm gonna do this time. And then this is nail polish remover, 100% acetone. You just dip a brush that's like this shape. And you dip it in there. And then like soak off the sides. Sorry, I'm not showing you. And then just go on top of that. And literally the acetone will do the work for you. Then wipe it and do it again. I mean, you can just literally be messy with it. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit because it doesn't look too effecty. And then you're just going to dry it. I'm going to do 30 seconds because it's not like a full coat. And then I use this top coat, the Beetles top coat or Valentino's top coat. Okay, you take it out. It's like a marble-ish effect. And then...
It looks really good.
Thank you. And then you can, it depends on you if you want it to do it matte or glossy, but I'm going to go ahead and do glossy. And I'm just going to top coat it and then dry it off. I'm going to just put it under the UV light, and done. So after that is dry, I'm gonna do 60 seconds because that's a full coat. Okay, I'm gonna take another one of the sample things, these, and I'm gonna buff it again. Take off the shine. Okay, and then now we're gonna do white again. I'm gonna show you how to do foils. So just paint this white like we did the last one. Okay, and there's my marble effect nail. There's a way you can do it with acrylic too, but that's how I did it with this one. I love it, it came out nice. Okay, so I'm gonna dry this for 60 seconds and then I'm gonna get the other stuff ready. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. I'm just gonna cut it just because I don't think I'll use the whole thing, you know? Cut that much off. You apply a layer. It says to cure for 60 seconds, so that's what we're gonna do. With this marble effect, it's so cute. And then this is another marble effect that you can do. This is with acrylic. That's what I got on mine. And then after that's dry, then we're gonna top coat it. I mean, after it's drying, we apply the little print. I didn't get it all the way on there. So you're just gonna keep pressing. Right here I missed a spot, but we aren't gonna worry about that. So you just press and press on it. Make sure everything is... And then... Ooh, that's actually really cute. A part that I missed, this section right here, we are gonna discard that. But yeah, okay, those came off of... You want to make sure it's on the lighter side, because the darker side... I mean, the lighter side, do you see the difference? The lighter than the darker. So this is the part where you put on the nail. But I really like this, actually. And I'm going to have a lot more, so... And then to protect it, you just want to top coat it. Okay, now you're just gonna put it in the UV light and let it dry for 60 seconds. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I didn't know what else to show you guys, but if you guys have any ideas, comment down below. These are the two things that I showed you guys today. This is the marble. This came out so cute. And then here's the little foil. It's so cute. Anyways, but that's it for today. If you guys have anything else you guys want to see, let me know, and I'll do my best to get the videos out for you guys. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you again for watching my video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.